eSIM not working on iPhone 13. Discover why your iPhone 13's eSIM might not be working and learn how to fix it to enjoy uninterrupted eSIM services. eSIM technology eliminates the need for physical SIM cards by offering digital SIM services directly on your device. However, access to carrier networks can sometimes fail. Despite the iPhone 13 being eSIM compatible, issues can arise, preventing the eSIM from working as expected. I encountered a non-functional eSIM on my iPhone 13, initially attempting basic troubleshooting like restarting the phone and updating the software. Further attempts to remove and re-add the eSIM profile didn't solve the problem, leading to frustration given my reliance on my phone. A breakthrough came when I reset the network settings, reviving my eSIM connectivity and bringing immense relief. Possible reasons for eSIM issues include incompatible carriers, activation errors, network problems, outdated software, physical SIM interference, or invalid eSIM plans. Specific solutions depend on the cause but start with basic fixes such as restarting your iPhone or checking for carrier compatibility. Removing a physical SIM card, if used alongside an eSIM, and restarting the device might resolve the issue. Ensure your iPhone 13 is running the latest iOS version to avoid eSIM problems related to outdated software. Toggle airplane mode on and off to quickly re-establish network connections, potentially fixing eSIM issues. Resetting your iPhone's network settings can address network-related eSIM problems, but remember to back up data first. Deleting and reinstalling the eSIM profile can remedy activation issues, requiring a new QR code or manual activation details. Check your device's IMEI details are accurate for eSIM activation, as required by some carriers. Ensure your carrier's latest eSIM profile updates are installed by checking under Settings, General, About. Contact your carrier's customer support if eSIM issues persist, as they can assist with activation or carrier-specific problems. For unresolved software issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for potential hardware-related solutions. Understanding the reasons behind eSIM functionality issues and pursuing suggested fixes will help restore your iPhone 13's eSIM service. Subscribe for more tips and updates on resolving eSIM and other device-related issues efficiently. Thanks for watching.